Hello, people. Welcome to the Quotable Classroom. I am Mrs. Z, and I'm so glad and grateful that you are here with me today. I've got another thing that came in from my wish list, so thank you to whoever sent this out to me. I look forward to opening it, and I can't wait to find out who it is from. Let's find out all of us together. I hope you are doing great and groovy. We've got school starting next week. If you can hear, my husband is working outside mowing our lawn, so that might be picked up by my microphone. We'll have to see. I'm so grateful that he's there doing it and it's not me, so thank you, hubby. Let's see. I have no idea what this is. Pretty substantial box. Let's dig in, shall we? Oh, a couple of things. Oh, yay. Yay. Oh. Yay. Does it say who? Does it say who? I see some little papers. I want to find out before I open it up. One of the things that I love to have in my class is, I call it a care closet, but it's not an actual closet. It's a care cart. It's a care cart to have for my students. And middle school is a crazy time, and there's a lot of stuff that goes on. There's a lot of emotions happening, and sometimes those emotions seep through our pores. And you'll see where I am going with that in just a moment. Oh, this makes such perfect sense. Oh, Deborah. Deborah is my cousin, and she's a dentist. So when I sent the SOS out there, okay, students come from all walks of life, right? Sometimes we have students who are on the struggle bus when it comes to hygiene. Can you smell what I'm stepping in here? Yes. And that happens for many reasons. Sometimes they can't afford basic hygiene needs. Sometimes they just forget. They're not used to their bodies overreacting the way they do sometimes. It's easy to forget about those things. So I like to have some things on hand. And that way they can just come up to me and say, hey, I forgot to brush my teeth. Do you have a toothbrush? And also, they're running around a lot. They're still doing gym, and not everybody has mastered the art of deodorant. We all struggle there, even in adults. Adults struggle in that area. You know what I mean. So let's see what my cousin Deborah sent me. Deborah, you cracked me up. I'm so stoked about this. The first thing is, oh, there's one. Check this out. Look at this. Oh, you know what these are? Toothbrushes. Sometimes these come with the toothpaste already on it, and I don't know if this is the one that has that on it or not, but I have toothpaste too at school. And sometimes what I will do, because it can be kind of embarrassing, if you've got somebody walking around talking about you, saying, hey, Ms. Z, what's up with so and so, their breath is just terrible. One of the things that I can do as a teacher, I don't mind doing this at all. I mean, I get my students thinking I'm absolutely bonkers, and I like it. So I might have a day where I come in and I'll be like, folks, you're going to have to just bear with Ms. Z for a minute, because I've been so swamped this morning, I forgot to brush my teeth. So I'm going to pull one of these out, and I'll brush my teeth right then and there. In the classroom, I'll say, anybody else want one? Anybody else want one? And they'll enjoy that. So let me see if I can pull one of these out. Oh, these are great. Look how cool that bamboo, I think. Deborah, thank you so very much. This is This is truly the gift that keeps on giving. You know what I mean? Um, Thank you. And there's another thing in here, so I can't wait to see what that is. Let's see. Uh, Another box. Let's see if we can open this sucker. Oh, oh. Telling you, Ms. Z is dangerous with skizzers. Dangerous. So let's just rip into the sucker. I am. Oh, yes. Yes. So super stoked about this. Middle school. I don't care if you're male or female. Both sexes can struggle in this area. You know what these are? This is one of the coolest gifts that you can give to a teacher. These are antiperspirant wipes, single use. So again, just like with the toothbrush thing, I'm going to be like, oh, my dog crawled all over me and now I smell like wet dog. Let me take one of these. Anybody else need one? It's after gym. I know some of you guys had gym. I knows it. I knows it. And it makes it sort of a fun way to address those critical issues. So if you're a teacher, I highly recommend this. Deb, I am so excited. This is what they look like independently. Single use, 8 by 6 inches, safe for all skin types, fight foul odor, non-woven fabric, water, aloe vera, and vitamin E. Brilliant. Brilliant. Yay. Oh. Can you hear? My husband's mowing the lawn. Yay. So, Deb, thank you so much. This is going to go into my care cart, along with some other items that I have there to help my students have the most productive day possible. I am so grateful to you. This not only touches my heart and makes my heart smile, that you would take the time out of your busy day and help my classroom like this. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Remind me to show you my maps sometimes, because I'm a collector of maps and I found the coolest map. I'm going to leave that for another video, but when I put it out and put it up there, I will tag you in it, Deb, because you're going to get a kick out of it. It is dental related. It's a dental related map. If you can just let your mind go crazy thinking about that. So Deb, thank you so much, and I wish you nothing but love and joy to you and yours. Give my uncle a special big ol' hug from me. I had to do a quick edit, folks, because as I was looking closer at these, I wanted to give you a little update about how awesome these really are. These are pre-pasted. Pre-pasted. So they don't have to worry about, adding toothpaste to it. It's already in there. So I can just give it to them, send them off to the water fountain or the bathroom, and they can take care of that. Deborah. Oh, Deb, thank you so much. I'm so beyond stoked about this. For those of you who don't know, my cousin Deborah, I mentioned before, is a dentist, and she and her husband both are, and they do a lot of charity work, and they've gone to various countries to help impoverished people deal with their dental issues. Don't even get me started on why dental is separate than healthcare, because the direct link between the health of your mouth and your bodily health is imperative. So how that managed to slip by us as Americans, we need to question that, and we need to possibly look towards our political leaders and say, is there some way to address this? I can tell you, I've got a world of issues here that I've had to put off because I just can't afford it. So I'm talking implants, all sorts of stuff going on, and it's been a process over years. Throw a shout out to me if you want to help me out there. Deb. Just kidding. You got your stuff that you're doing. I totally understand. Cool. And I love my dentist, and I have a terrible phobia of of dentists and doctors in general. And you've got to find really good ones that listen to you and care for you. And I know Deb is, and her husband is, and I've got another cousin who is, and I love my dentist tremendously, and they're working with me slowly but surely to try to get some stuff taken care of that I need to take care of. So when I say how excited I am about this, I speak from personal experience. We neglect this area. It is so hard to take care of. Students struggle there because their families are struggling. And if there's a way, Bashir, if there's a way to help bring some attention and funding to dental care, let's figure that out. This is America, folks. Let's figure that out. Let's stop fighting amongst ourselves and hold our powers that be accountable so that the people of this country can get the care that they need. Deb and Michael, thank you so much for this. This is just absolutely stoked my boat. I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to put this in my care cart. Again, I just had to add that. Thank you so much. Pre-pasted. What can we not do? We can do anything. We can do anything. We put our minds to it. So stay with me. I'm going to be putting up some more videos because I've got some more things to unbox. This goes towards my library because they are books. I don't know what they are. And I might need your help deciphering, are these appropriate for a middle schooler? So that's what you can pay attention to for next time. Thank you so much, you guys. May the best of your yesterday be the worst of your future. I love each and every one of you, and I hope you're doing great. Support each other out there. Take care of yourself and take care of each other too. We're all we've got. Stay strong, stay cool, stay feisty. Love you.